Oh, sorry, dude. Sorry. Oh. You boy. Hello there. Today I get to look like the Apprentice.
New boots, bro.
If you'd have done that then, I'd have punched you in the neck. Hi. Right, Nick, Adam, Van,
Hi.
what we're doing. Hi. Hello there. We're back at, you can tell, the massive summer house we did with Chris from CJR. Delicious. New path put in, new floor put in, driveways going in. Awesome, cool, wicked nice. That's a good one. What we got to do is run an Ethernet cable up there. So we got a, what would you call it? A waterproof one, external one. It's not an armoured, it's not the thick one, which probably in hindsight I should have ordered.
Outdoor UV rated cable. Something like that.
Nice. So it's going to be, because this is the same thing, if you remember what I said, the fence is actually double skinned, so been pushed in, so even this fence, the bush line is actually the fence line. So what we're going to do, you know all about the bush line, don't you, Ad? Sorry, too far. It's Christmas, we don't say anything like that anymore. Anyway, we're going to clip it on the inside of the fence, or the outside should I say, down around. We're going to dig a little channel up next to the armoured, we'll put in flex conduit. That's my idea. Up, around, and then it's going to be clipped low level in it, across, and the router is...
Where that lamp is in the window.
Oh, see where the phone point goes in, so the router's just there. So we've got the ideal RJ45 making off kit. So yes, I'll let Adam, because the last video that came out was me by myself, if it ever makes day of light, because it was pretty dreadful to be honest.
Yeah.
You'll see that I didn't do a lot. Anyway, yeah, go and get stuff out. Good boy. I'm going to put my feet up for a minute. Alright, what else we're doing here is, we should come around this corner, away from everyone. The old corner lamp's coming off. We're going to stick a whisker box on there, stuff and gone out. There's a 30 watt PIR LED going on at the top that's got a remote on it. Never used one before, so I'll give it a go. So that's going to be controlled off there. And then the only reason I wanted to buy boots for a while now, because I'll show you a picture of my Vans in a bit, they're absolutely trashed. And yesterday I managed to stand on a nail, which went straight from my foot, well, not all the way through, but enough. Because we knew we were walking wet grass, so it's not going to be fun. So I'll be getting Adam to do that while I go inside and do all the nice warm stuff.
No, everything's frozen.
Yeah, it's fine, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, sweet.
Go on,
I don't want to do, normally you just go like that, then you want to do.
Well, we want to bring it here, away from the armoured. This is all getting slabbed
closer
over.
to that, yeah.
Yeah, well, just follow the round there. That's it.
The cable, the other cable went like that,
The
didn't
other cable's down here, mate, yeah.
Oh.
This is all getting covered like this eventually, so I'm not too concerned of how deep it goes. A few other things. I got a couple of the 12 amp batteries from Bosch and an absolute massive 18 volt SDS, but it's the SDS. I'm not sure if the plus, you know, obviously got normal size SDS that we all use, but then it's the much bigger bit, but it's actually at home. So I'm going to play a bit of a prank on my other half and get her to bring it, because it's in my office, for no reason whatsoever other than to show you, but it's super heavy, so that'll be quite interesting. But yeah, and then I'll show it you, and then I'll ask for some ideas of what I should do on a video with it, because it's so big. The only other thing that we could probably do with it is knock a house down, but you'll see in a little bit. I'm gonna get this dug out.
Yeah, it's not going to be fun because it's frozen.
No, it's fine, mate. If you just rub your hands on the ground, it'll warm it up and it'll be easy to do it. So
have a wee on it.
brilliant. Up the yellow brick road. Right, so we've got some Cat 5e black stuff. So the UV rated stuff. Adam was right. I'm gonna be working for him soon. I know I am. Losing the plot. Right, big swing. Nice. So what we're going to do is sit this up here. It's going to be pulled down full length all the way to exactly where we need it to go, and then another 5 meters past the van. Bring it back to the wall, coil it up. Adam's going to flick it over the fence here, clip it. I'm going to bring it all the way down. I actually ordered some rubber mats, you know, the trip cable ones that you put the cable on the floor and then you put the rubber mat on top, just to get it across into here. I think that's going to be the best option, because anything else is just going to get damaged. So put that there. That's our TT box here, spike box for the summer house. This is it. Hot tub's in now. Pergola. Very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. Inside, I'll show you inside in a little bit. Bars all set up and everything like that. Very jealous, if I'm honest. So Adam's having to hammer with the other hand. He's not used to it. And his hand-eye coordination, he said he's going to lose a few fingers, definitely.
Yeah. And I keep going to grab a clip and then swapping
The hammer over. Yeah. So Adam's running that down there. The plan is I'm going to drill a hole, a very thin hole through the masonry here. Low level, in the trench, around, and then low level. It's going to be clipped direct across this wall because you've already got loads of Sky cables and BT cables, so I don't mind that being visible. On the inside here, we're going to see if we can stick some black conduit just to protect it as we drill through the wall, because if the mower ever comes here or the kids play football and gets knocked, I'd rather have it protected if it's on show. And obviously we've got the rubber mat at the top. So while Adam's doing that, I'm waiting for my other half to turn up with the Flexicon, the drill, everything like that. I'm going to change the outside light. So we found a light hack, haven't we, Adam? How to make a late radio last forever. Stick a 12-amp battery in it. Done. There you go. Adam's having fun. Let's see how he's getting on. Oh, that's neat. Looks easy, this. Wish I'd have done this bit, mate. You having fun there?
Yeah.
There's Oh, I nearly said it. I nearly said it.
Oh, what?
It's not swearing though, is it?
Oh.
Did the bush diving, yeah? Yep.
Yeah, not fun.
That looks fun, mate. Do you want me to hold it back for you?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I'm busy.
Yeah.
This customer always does this to me. Always gives me the girl mug out of the boy mug. And she's got to make us a sausage sandwich. On this one. Get down one more. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, let's go for that one.
Oh yeah, that one's alright.
Yeah. So that's being done. That's our lights up. Do some ideals in the whisker box. That's going to be turned on in a minute. My other half's on her way with the Flexicon to do this bit. So we're going to get a few clips in that, feed that through. All of that. It's going to be fun. And then tack it around. And dock your wages for the day. Ugh, don't throw stuff on me. Anyway. This is the rubber matting that's going to, sorry, fingers are numb. Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? Yeah. That's just going to sit across for the cat cable just to run across the top of the slabs.
Oh, the cable actually goes in it like that?
Yeah. Some 20mm and some 25. Well looked after. Very nice. Right. Small whisker on there. Cables all been brought through. Adam's put, trying to get a bit closer. I put conduit on there. Low level, sealed it. He's just now. Adam! Hello, Jackie! He's up there doing that. So, my next thing is, we asked from the Flexicon 21 and 25, and we'll grind off the bottom, see that in the ground. Like you say, this won't take. To be fair, it's really rigid. This different brand I've bought this time. Here she is. Oh. Obviously, 12-amp battery goes in there, but that's a normal 18-volt. Yeah. And this is the new one. So you see how little it is. So this is obviously our original SDS Plus or SD. I can't remember. It's the smaller bits that we all use, and this is the thicker bits. So a little bigger chuck. So it's got a light on it. Hang on. It's got a light on it, and different settings on the back as well. And it's a rotary hammer and just hammer. And I'll put. Oh, there's some of the bits here. Hang on. I'd let Adam use it, but he wouldn't be able to pick it up, unfortunately. See what I mean by the thicker ends. So, chisel bit, massive chisel bit. So this is SDS Max, right? Okay. And then channel bit as well there. So yeah, let me know below. What do you want to see me doing with that? Like, it's too big to chase out sockets and bits and bobs really, because it's massive. Or should we just make Adam drill those holes with it, see how long he lasts? That'd be interesting. Go on, Adam. What's just happened?
So when I was using the tape, yeah, kind of flicked it as you do, let it go, and because my fingers are cold, it hurt a lot.
Oh.
But yeah.
Oh dear. So the clickbait thumbnail and title to this is his fault now.
Apprentice got a boo-boo.
Apprentice got a boo-boo, Christ. Also, just saying that, just showing everyone this ad. This is the new FlexiCam, and it comes with the. Yeah, you record me a sec, mate. Yeah, the new FlexiCon. So originally they were the half ones that snapped on, didn't they? They snap on around it, but these ones push in and screw shut. But then on top of it, like I just said it on camera, people standing on it, and it's not going to matter because as soon as it's going to be concreted, but for the time being, right, I've just tried this off camera. Right, watch that bit. It doesn't even bend. I'm nearly 17 stone, and for flexi conduit, that hasn't even bent it at all. That's
Or
proper tough
it.
though, feel it?
Yeah.
Like you can't squish
I remember seeing it in the thing, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit more like corrugated hose, isn't it? But plastic.
I was trying to think of a joke then, but I won't bother. You naughty.
I win.
Adam's just learned a new trick. If you do this.
Oh, my eardrums.
Should do. Oh God, Santa Claus. I know. Jingle bells. No, don't put your thumb over the end of it. It's called bottle capping. Oh. Right, so we were going to do the Hoover trick, and clearly I got that. We're going to do the Hoover trick where you suck the string down it, but we don't have any strings, so we're just going to put some rods through. So Adam's just made a mistake.
No, I'm not getting the blame for this.
Well, I was too busy messing with the pipe.
Kazoo.
Excuse kazoo, yeah. Adam forgot to feed the cable through the gland, and yeah, so we have to redo it all again. Brilliant. It's like making a cake, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
That's through. I'm really chuffed with that, actually. Put some armoured cleats on it. Put the lid on it. That's then popping up over there. That's now all hidden. Adam's got the job of clipping that across. I'm going to go up there and put the RJ45 on the end of it up there. Right, we're in somewhere else. What we've done, brought the cable through here. This is going to be plugged in to a Wi-Fi extender, wherever it is that we put it, and it's still down the van. I forgot to mention the sponsor of today's video. I know we're all the way through it, and I probably have put a thing at the beginning now to say this is sponsored by. So you'll always have a little. So which way? If you're just looking at me, it's going to be down there, I think. Ideal. Sponsor the video again. Using a lot of their stuff recently. This is one of the kits that I bought quite a while ago now, the FT45. So it's for all the your Cat 5 ends. So that's the crimper and also cutter. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand as usual. So you just make up your ends through here, poke them in, that then pops straight in here, and as you then crimp it, it then cuts the end of the cores off, and it's all literally perfect connection. So comes with the stripper and the spring. I'll put a link to this below. These are, I don't do cat cable very often at all, but past couple of summer houses I've done this literally for every single one which you would have seen. This is the kit we've always used, so I'll put a link to this, put a link to all of the Ideal stuff below as usual. Go check them out, but this great handy piece of kit, and looks nice as well. Right, so what I normally do, because I don't do cat cable very often, I've just got a simple diagram on my phone of what goes to what. So let's sit you here. Right, orange and white, yes, then orange. Oh, you've brought it upside down.
They're outside.
Oh, the orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. Right, so if everyone watching, that wasn't up to do. Doddle, as usual. So what we do with that, that's on there now. You cut of that side, that'll be pushed through like so, clips in as it crimps. Can't really do it with my thumb. It cuts. And just like that, it's done. Magic. I've got a last little bit going on. Did a lovely little neat hole there. This is going to get plugged straight through. The router's here, but it sits on a little cupboard here. So this is going to come out, a little bit of a loop, plug into the back. That's right. Adam's out in the cold. To be fair, it was warm and it's pretty chilly now. The Christmas stuff. How nice is this lounge? And got just up there, that's the for the kids, that's the elf cam, is it? The naughty elf cam thing. I need one of them for Adam, to be honest. Keep an eye on him. Yeah, I'll stick all the links to all the ideal stuff, and like I said, the link to my podcast, and by the time this comes out I should have already recorded one, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, right, we've done the inside, cables across there, just going to set it up in there. Adam, you good job. Nick, you sort of good job. I don't know much. Yeah, it's just starting to rain, so we've got to sort of panic and get everything inside. So thank you all for watching. Adam, you may say thank you as well.
Why are you so tall? You stand on there.
I'm always this tall. Always this tall.
Pirate now.
Pirate, yeah, what plank. Right, just watching. Bye.
Bye.